Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. It's time for another in-depth product review here on Product Critique. If you enjoy staying up to date on the latest tech trends and products, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you never miss out. Today, we're diving into the world of smart locks with the Schlage Encode smart Wi-Fi lever. Let's see if this lock lives up to the hype. Hey there, viewers! We're about to explore the features and capabilities of the Schlage Encode smart Wi-Fi lever. This smart lock offers a variety of entry options, making it a versatile solution for anyone seeking enhanced security and convenience. Let's get started. Performance matters, and the Schlage Encode smart Wi-Fi lever delivers. With a range of entry methods including keys, keypads, and even smartphone apps, it's a lock that fits various needs. It's designed to secure side doors, internal doors, and is ideal for Airbnb hosts, student housing, and more. Built by a trusted US security brand, it comes with a rock-solid build quality and a lifetime warranty, guaranteeing reliability. Now, let's talk about access codes. This smart lock allows you to program up to 100 different access codes for different situations and users. Whether it's the window cleaner or your dog walker, you'll know who's coming and going. The Schlage Home app keeps you informed with pop-up notifications and a color-coded event history. Plus, there's an alarm that sounds during forceful entry attempts. Schlage is a name synonymous with security. The Encode smart Wi-Fi lever boasts high ratings for residential security and durability, backed by the certified Grade 1 rating by BHMA. It's a trusted choice in the US market, offering a sense of confidence to users. While it comes with a higher price tag, the features, build quality, and brand reputation justify the cost. Setting up the Encode smart Wi-Fi lever is straightforward. The Schlage Home app guides you through the process, from installation to pairing. You can choose from various methods, including keypad entry, app control, and even voice assistants like Google Assistant. However, be mindful that compatibility with certain apps like Apple HomeKit and Amazon Alexa might be limited based on your location. Testing the Encode smart Wi-Fi lever revealed its reliability. Whether using the keypad, app, or other connected devices, it consistently provided secure access and notifications. The keypad entry worked flawlessly, maintaining its Wi-Fi connection and syncing with the app. Who can benefit from the Schlage Encode smart Wi-Fi lever? It's perfect for secondary access points like side doors, making it the other front door. Small businesses, Airbnb hosts, landlords, and families looking for controlled access options will find it invaluable. Its versatility and convenience make it a top choice for various scenarios. Wrapping up our review of the Schlage Encode smart Wi-Fi lever, it's clear that this smart lock offers more than just security. With its multiple access methods, solid build, and integration with smart assistants, it's a versatile solution for those seeking enhanced control over their home or business security. As always, thank you for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow tech enthusiasts. Stay curious and stay connected. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.